Bang pharo ke thom societum forest asai campaign illegal appointment po puthak Karbiang Autonomous Council pen show cause notice ki pale la pen interview chipi thunangji po puthak KSA Hauraghat Regional Committee atum phirangki ame phaponsi bang pharo ke thom soce forest asai khe tum aphan kaya teng sai ki pachoklem thulong ji aphan kachuning ripi Patumi Phaikuni ni Phai Pliarni Karbi Students Association Hauraghat Regional Committee atum dogmoka mate dongmuka kalong Pirangki ame ke phapon.
You kopia posi non appoint bangso illegal appointment na puthak long non ko interview bipon nang ji pukar Karbiang Autonomous Council tum ki pulong kopia posi bipon nang nei po puthak ni li isi hini ke jong nang bang tung bang ka lalo non point 1 bang ke health issues within these 13 years of service some other employees have had surgery like kidney stone, gallbladder, etc. And women, they have pregnant surgery so they can go for running. Lasi alang litu non aporjong si labang so interview pa do kok lo pelutang te. Hala kismana employees atau mangkalang litum kisu kacelang tang tum tadolo. La pensor lo tum mabangke kismana tum mabangke pregnancy pen. Alang litum bangke non apor bang alang litum bangke surgery ikuritang tum tadolo lasi non jong si labang so interview along padut hukok pelutang te training along bangkalang litum mabangke health issues mate physical health bangkalang litum non bangka aprang ateng bangke un idet po
Pirangki ame along ki than pon ke forest asai campaign illegal appointment po puthak Karbiang Autonomous Council pen show cause notice ki pale la pen interview chipi thunangji plote lapuan arni pen ki klembo machukumaratum thedunga sonason akisung chitong nang kokpo lasialang litum aphan puthot sai ke pachiklem thulongji aphan Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang aphan kachuningri padopong
Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Honorable Chief Executive Members of Karbiang Autonomous Council alangli ke Karbiang Autonomous Council long chief law port lasi niltum karbi lo Charlie asong Hauraghat Regional Committee pen kachuning riye bang kalalo nanglitum un ana bangke un polotang te interview pavipin pen non ke claim alang litum ke dotang employees atum aphan bang ke pisung sipin pen labang so pus pachelong thoji phasi chuning rilo
dong mukak pen sem sing ti Karbiang Long Live